forum is important to mission for young people, to not forget like makers changes or makers discussion or peace building. I know we are now in bad situation in our countries, but we can do something in our community with these events like Fòrum Internacional Youth Act.
Són espais necessaris perquè puguem connectar, ens puguem conèixer, puguem entendre que les nostres lluites, tot i estar dividides en l'espai, són molt similars i podem teixir aliances i seguir lluitant per al futur que volem.
So having this opportunity to meet each other and talking, having dialogue, exchanging like our challenges, it's maybe will be one of a million solutions we have to face this like a demand of like material thing to like meet each other, knowing about each other.
I think all the participants of the Mediterranean area have many things in common, such as the identity crisis, movement restrictions.
Making the people collectively leaders and responsible for the future or the consequences or the change that come. Because if you act, you can change. Even if you don't act, you have some consequences of your non-action.